And how about if we're faced with a new logarithm in base 10? So there are a couple of clues that we can use to get an idea of the value of the y number. So first thing is, we know that if the logarithm is negative, that means that y is smaller than 1. So here, once we get below 1, then all these x values are negative. This is where the log of y is equal to x. Let's write that again. This is our number line from last week. So if the log is negative, that means that the kind of normal number, if you like, is smaller than 1. And so that's the first thing to remember. Secondly, you can tell from the part of the logarithm before the decimal place the order of magnitude. So if you've got 0.301, for example, so this part gives you the order of magnitude. So in this case, we know that the number is between 1 and 10, is greater than 1 and smaller than 10. And in this case, 1.301, we know that y is in between 10 and 100, etc. And same way back here. So if we've got minus 1.6, that means that y is in between 0.1 and 0.01, etc., etc. So if I had something like 23.4, then we know that y is in between 10 to the 22 and 10 to the 23. So that already gives us an idea of what the value of our number is. And thirdly, you can just estimate using our simple log table. So if x is equal to 0.5, then we know that's in between the values for 3 and 4. So y is going to be in between 3 and 4. So you can get a general idea of what you're dealing with from that. So I think those are my top tips really for logarithms. Yeah, so anything where the log is negative, that means that the number is smaller than 1. The first part of the logarithm number will tell us the order of magnitude that we're dealing with, and you can get a general idea just from our simple table that we've been looking at what it's the logarithm of.